guys, welcome and welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen. On today's episode, we'll be traveling to Kenya. Okay, personally, I'm from Kenya, but I've never made this recipe and I've also never tasted it like before. This is my first time, and plus, this one was a request from somebody. Okay, so if you're there and you want me to try out a certain recipe from your country, always leave a comment. Okay, yeah, always leave a comment because when you call, I'll definitely answer. Look at that pilau, guys. This one is vegetable pilau. This one, eh? Hey, guys, can you see what I'm seeing? Buckle up and let's go to Kenya. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Look at that. These looks are not deceiving. Buckle up and let's go. I'm sure you already know the drill. First things first, we're going to let our pan cook. Not our pan cook, our pot for it to heat up, okay? So even though you don't even know how to cook, this is a must. We must let our cooking pot cook, okay? Not put a lot of oil. Okay, guys, so these are the ingredients. We have some purple onions, but if you have white onions, well and good. And then we have some yellow onions, yellow bell pepper, yellow pepper, and then some ginger, okay? Also some homemade garlic spice. This is homemade garlic spice, okay? And then we have some carrots. And then we also have some tomatoes, okay? And then we also have some boiled peas. Boiled peas. Yeah, we also have this. And heated up. We're going to add in our. Oh, by the way, I'm not supposed to add in onions at that juncture. Oh my gosh, I almost messed up. Wow. We're going to add in the meat. I almost messed up, guys. So we want to brown the meat. So this is how your meat should be. Can you see that browning? Okay, it's perfect. This caramelizing color. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to add in some onions. Oh, guys, my chicken is smelling so nice. Maybe I need to add in the spices right now. Woo! I have some pilau masala. This one is a must. And also the homemade garlic powder. 2 scoops. That's enough. Then let's give this a good mix. And then adding some ginger. Guys, ginger and garlic is a must. And also the peppers. Give that a good mix. Oh, guys, the kitchen is really smelling well. Okay, this is my first time having carrots in my pilau, but yeah. Look at that color. See? Look at that. Looking so good. Then our tomatoes. So I'm also going to add in some honey. We have some honey. You can either use honey or sugar. And some peas. Okay, guys, my peas, by the way, they are pre-boiled. Okay, I'd boiled them, but you are just in the freezer. Can you see? Yeah. So I'm going to let them cook for some time. So, guys, we have some washed rice. Then add the rice. Hey, guys, look at that rice. Eh? Everything is coming up so nicely. I really love everything. Oh my gosh. So, guys, can you see how we've not added in any water? Yeah, please don't add water first. Because you first want the rice to absorb the brown color. The brown color of rice, of the pilau masala. If it's not brown, then it's not pilau masala. It has to be brown. So guys, here you have some tap water. Okay. Then add in so that our rice can now cook well. So the reason as to why I'm mixing everything is because I don't want the rice to stick. Okay. Some salt at this juncture is good. That's enough. So we're going to cover this and allow our rice to boil. We'll meet after 30 minutes. So guys, can you observe? You're cooking on very low heat. Okay. Then here we have our rice. Our vegetable pilau. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Hmm? Everything looks so good, right? Hmm? Look at that. So yeah, I cannot wait to taste it, guys. And I'm going to taste it. So prepare. To plate this. That's perfect. Okay. Look at that. Can you see that it has already turned to color brown? Yeah, it's already color brown, right? So allow me to taste so that you can know whether it is, it is as tasty as it looks like. Okay. Can you see how hot? Huh? But guys, I must taste. I'd rather get burnt. Hmm. So good. I think we need a second spoon. You guys can have this. I love every bit of this. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.